Andy from an OCS Group, how do you see AI impacting your future operations? Is it going to have an impact to the way you deliver your facilities management services?
Yeah, sure, Richard. So in the facility management industry, I think AI wave is starting to reshape how we operate and then how we manage the contract, because our business is basically managing the contract in the customer side. And of course, and how we create value for our clients. So it means in terms of the traditional FM with a very labor intensive and operationally driven industry, where efficiency is largely coming from the workforce, preventive maintenance, and also the service quality across many distributed sites. AI is now introducing the possibility to make this operation for more predictive, data-driven, and scalable. So from the organizational perspective, we see that the three major opportunities that coming in the FM related to the AI. So the first one is regarding the predictive and then the data-driven operation. AIs allow us to move from reactive to predictive maintenance. So instead of responding the equipment failures, so we can anticipate issue in the system like HVAC, electrical, or building infrastructure. So means that for our clients, it's deliver what we commit, like fewer disruption and then lower life cycle costs and better asset performance. So means for the customer, like I mentioned before in the very beginning, that it create more value in terms of just doing traditional facility management in our customer side. And then of course, second, still that the FM business is regarding the workforce. So it means that using AI, so we can optimize specifically for the cost spending using the optimization in the scheduling, and then such as the impact like reducing number of overtime and improve the productivity across the multiple sites. Even small improvements in labor efficiency can significantly improve the contractual margin. And the last that we see the most opportunity in terms of AI is coming from the enhanced client transparency and reporting. Nowadays, that the demand in the facility management is not only doing the traditional service like cleaning, like a hard service, but also how we as a facility management company can provide more value in terms of data. So means that using AI, it's giving us more value. Of course, this opportunity also coming with the same challenges. So I can mention some of the significant challenges for the FM. For the adoption of AI is about, the first one is about the data maturity. So this is still our biggest challenge, how we can connect from multiple systems, multiple information, and then coming to AI and then creating a very insightful information. And the other things about the challenge is about operational adoption. So because technology alone for us does not create value. The real success of AI depends on how the site team, the technician, and then combination with the support function in the office can have integration and then can have collaboration and then make daily decision making. So I think this is overall the impact of AI in the facility management, Richard.